Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to use green screen on TikTok. A TikTok green screen effect looks like a video footage of yourself in front of a background that is different from your actual background while filming. Now, how to do this? First, open the TikTok app and select the plus icon or button at the bottom of your screen. After that, click or select Effects. At the bottom of the menu that appears, slide your fingers across the screen from right to left so you can see the tool feature. And then here, click green screen, and this is what green screen effect looks like when you use this. It says mix other effects, or you can blend it to other pictures. It's really fine. Now you can blend or mix your picture or your video to any of the pictures or effects on TikTok. All you have to do is to explore, swipe, and scroll in order for you to find a good effect for a green screen. For example, this one. This effect is fit for serious topics. Now let's find another effect again. For example, this one. So this is the result. Then record, edit, and post your video as usual. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and tutorials.